How do you make the pecan log?
The pecan log or the icebox fruit. 1 box vanilla wafers. 1 8-ounce carton of the red cherries, candied cherries, and an 8-ounce carton of the green candied cherries, and a box of dates, about 8 ounces. And then there's 1 can, and 1 can only, sweetened condensed milk. And how many big corns you like it. If it's, one time it was a quart, but when you get to putting it in there, if you want more pecans, or if you want less, put it in there. So the instructions on how to do it, you have to get the vanilla wafers crushed real fine. And then you take the red cherries and pull them apart. It's not hard, it's just time consuming. And the green cherries, pull them apart and put that in there with vanilla wafers. And you get a box of dates, and they will have a coating around them. Dates, about probably 8 ounces or so, and put that in there. And then you take your can of Eagle brand milk or sweetened milk, and you pour it all over it. And then you put your pecans, you put your pecans in there before that, but then the milk, sweetened condensed milk, and then you take it and you roll it and you mix it with your hands till it comes where you can roll it like in a log. It takes some mixing and getting it all where you can get that point. But anyway, then you might want to put on a glove, I don't know, but you pick it up and then you roll it like this in a little log, and then you cut into little sections. And when you get it done, you put it in the refrigerator in tin foil. You're probably about half 5 little mostly 5 logs, and then you put it in a gallon sealed something like you put in the freezer if you wanted to, but seal it, and you put it in the refrigerator. But if you have any left or whatever, you can freeze it in that bag, because you got your logs individually rolled in tin foil. And my family is always like that. And so you can help Susan make it.
Thank you, Mom.
Love you.